Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing a February part 3 for the proxies for Patreon, STL files for D&D, Warhammer, and the figures. If you do enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and all the links we'll be looking at will be down below as well. So 3D Monji is a figure as well, and also loot stuff for it. We have we also have this for this month, Marine Katagawa, and we also have Chung Li too. We don't really have the actual look of it unless we go to this and see all the way over here, but I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, they have a lot of figures for you guys, and I think we're going to be getting stuff for March as well. Let's see. Next one is Neko figurines. Another figure as well. We got Fugi from Honkai Star Rail for your figures as well. This is February release. Evelyn for Zenless Zone Zero and Cha Ha In from Solo Leveling. I want that Asian girl that does the monk fighting. I think she's more hotter in my opinion, in many ways. So that's my opinion. Mayo Studio, another figure as well. We got Hell. Oh, not that. Hell Bell right here. And I think this one is Nemu Ketchki. I don't know. I think that's from Jujutsu Kaisen, I believe. I don't really know for a fact. I haven't watched Jujutsu Kaisen yet. My wife did, but I never really had a chance to. So we got that one for February. That is basically it for that. Bulk Mancer Sculpt for February. We got Alice, Tifa, the wolf guy from Elden Ring, and this elf girl from Metaphor game. And this is the previous one for last month. And you got your bonus as well. So yeah, this will be for this month for it. I think Alice already got released. And you got V that's also been released too. PG Pasta 3D figurines for we have got the NSFW one. We got Rogue, Savage Rogue. Did you, which one is it? Lena Snow and Yoshi something. So a lot of figures, and this one as well. If you're into hentai variety, that's where she's from. We got the Green Lantern. That's going to be special one as well. And we got Zelda Link, female Link as well. Remoto, another figure one as well. We got Fern release. And some other ones for figurines as well. That's coming out. I don't know what February is going to be. We just vote on the section for February. Looks like it. Let's see who won. Looks like Dawn from Pokemon. And then the second one is Blair from Soul Eater. The sexy pumpkin witch. Yuki Studio. Another figure. We got Megumi, but February character. This will be our 4 February character. This one I want. I don't really care about these three as much. But yeah. It's character poll. Teresa and Claymore. But yeah. Next is Elle's Daddy. Last month was this bomb girl from Chainsaw Man. And the next one will be Bowsette coming out. And this will be your welcome pack. And yeah, Bowsette will be the final for the next figure as well. They should give her bigger boobs, in my opinion. Yuku Palua is another figure. We're getting a lot of figures right now. This was came out Garo Ga, the VTuber, and we also got the Animal Crossing Doom. thing as well. I think that's kind of hilarious, in my opinion. But February is Brazilian Miku and Nero Sama Indie VTuber. Next is Nation Rodi 3D Studio, another figure. January release was Alice. And for this one, it's going to be Neko. Moscow's project would be Neko, so Neko will be the next one. I don't know where she is from, but yeah, but that's what it is. Beast 3D. We got Yoshiro from Bleach, and Anna Foldra and Bond will be next. I think Charmander will be our bonus one as well. So this is what's going to be for February. So this should be interesting. Your welcome pack as well. Pink Studio, another figure. So this was for last month. And for February, I do not know which one's going to be. Oh, Kumuro Tozaki, Kumuri, yeah, from Data Live. She's going to be next. I really wanted the Centaur Girl. That's my opinion. The Centaur Girl would be great. But I need to only make one at a time, in my opinion. But yeah. Munchkin. This will be this month for Munchkin from Game Alive. I forgot what this is called. No Game, No Life. There we go. For it. That is going to be delivered soon. Winter, and we're going to get Fearin 2B outfit. Pinky Prince, another 3D figures. This is for March. February, this will be what's going to be Petty and Stockings. It's going to be next Stocking and Tatsumaki. And we don't know what the third one's going to be for February. But yeah, we got also the Miku with the bunny suit and stuff. Kuru figure, another figure one as well. Surprise model Tenshi figure from No Game No Life. Baltimore render as well. Let's see here, and that's February. I wonder that's the welcome pack. Here we go, February. We got Evelyn ZZ from Zero Zone Zentless. We got Zero from Drakengard and Naga from Nikki as well. Alright, next is Duskull Art, another 3D figure. They got a lot of bonuses like the Cheshire Cat you can print for yourself. And we got Margin from Street Fighter, Marin from Street Fighter. We got Ashley as well. It's actually a good print of Ashley. We got Tsunade. Try to find what's for Charmander bonus sword. Try to see, that's January reward. Where is the February reward? Usually they do. There we go, February reward. This is what's gonna be coming up. So we got a late Trish from Devil May Cry. Which one is this one? I have no idea where she's from. Marin. And this one is... I don't know where she's from either. I think she's from Tekken, I believe. Got Harley. Yeah, that'll be it for this month. For Nuskull art. Do one more. Magpie 3D, another figure. Yoshi Day Alive that they're working on. This is February. Bubble Girl and Katawaga Marin for February release post. And also for this one, Artist Choice Arena. I watched the anime, it's freaking hilarious. Yoshino from Data Live as well. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.